guys, we started with Mama's Favorite. Very quick little start, moving upon the outside, Forgive Me. Diagito comes next, Moreno Valley, and on the outside comes Taxi. Dagat-dagatan Kid, while Spartacus is the early trailer when going along for the first turn. We have Mama's Favorite by over the half length, and on the outside comes Forgive Me. Diagito is down on the inside, then followed over by Moreno Valley. Taxi, Dagat-dagatan Kid, with Spartacus still running at the tail of the field. Down the back stretch, they travel with Mama's Favorite. By the nose, down on the inside comes Diagito. Down in third, we have Forgive Me. Moreno Valley comes next. Taxi, Spartacus, while Dagat-dagatan Kid now running at the tail of the field. Another far turn, we have Mama's Favorite. By the head, down on the inside comes Diagito. Forgive Me is racing in third as they swing for home. We have Mama's Favorite running by the list, Diagito. Forgive Me still in third, then followed by Moreno Valley, Dagat-dagatan Kid with about 100 meters of the race, and it's still Mama's Favorite followed by Diagito, and finally the program opener, Mama's Favorite, Diagito.
Malayo ang pagkakapanalo ni Mama's Favorite for the first race, and finally graduating her maiden division